Guys, welcome once again to the Truck Show 2015, guys. We want a little bit of noise from the crowd. Mondello, make some noise!
First year. We've been involved with the truck show as the main sponsor, and we just saw it as a great opportunity to actually get the chance to meet hauliers and people who are in this sector of business to talk to them about LPG diesel as a solution for their transport fleets and for their trucks. We're also having a real fun event as well. We're doing other activities with pot laps and things going on, so we're recognising the family aspect of the event, and we find it really, really great. You know, we're having a lot of fun doing it, so it's definitely been a great event so far this weekend.
We're having a great weekend, Bill, to be perfectly honest with you. Our association with Mondello began last year with the Future Classics. This is an extension of that, and it's about getting our brand out there to a wider audience. This is really, really good weekend for us, and we're getting a very positive reaction.
As you see behind us here, the place is flat out, a lot of gear going out, a lot of interest. The fact we're only 10 minutes out the road there in Clay Business Park, so a lot of interest in the jacks, the air jacks, the stuff fixing the tyres and that. So the crowds here are huge today, and it was busy yesterday, but I'd say today's going to be a brilliant day.
Very late in the brakes, the man clearly quicker. Reed way ahead if he can just get it stopped. He can get it stopped, so we have a winner. Great stuff from both of these guys, so really, really good stuff.
Cars, bikes, trucks, classic cars, you know, drifting, you know, there's everything down here. So like, it is a great day out, and it's certainly well worth coming down, not to see us, but to actually see Mondello.